Okay, so this is the N14 engine bay on the Mini here. Just to highlight a couple of the issues that we're trying to tackle. This is the turbocharger at the front of the engine bay here. Obviously it's very, very close to the plastic valve cover, and this is one of the main problems that causes essentially the cover to melt, and we get warpage and distortion, which creates oil leaks and then creates problems with our crankcase and ventilation pressures. And the PCV valve, which is on the back of the cover here, which also then ventilates back through into the intake system through the inlet or the intake pipework. So the idea of our cover is we'll have the provision to go and have original pipework connections if people wish, but I would suggest, and be better for especially fast road and track use, that we then have the integrated catch can assembly and have a remote breather system, so that there's no chance of oil contamination going through your intake, onto the backs of your valves, through your exhaust and being burnt. So that would be a big performance upgrade, like I say, especially for track use. Obviously there, being in the middle of the engine bay as well, there's going to be a nice bit of form over function, I guess, with the aluminium cover as your centrepiece in the middle of your engine bay. Okay, so that's it guys, that's the N14 project that we're looking at the moment. Like I said before, any ideas or feedback or criticism, or constructive criticism hopefully, would be greatly appreciated. We really want to try and make this something that we all work on together. So yeah, leave your feedback, give us everything you got, and we'll try and make it happen.